It was 20 minutes past 10 a.m. when the judges walked into the special chambers where international and cross-border crimes are tried. It was the end of the trial for 11 FDU-Inkingi members, a party that is not allowed in the country. They all face charges related to conspiracy against established authorities and the crime of forming an illegally armed force, but only 8 of the 11 appeared in court. Regarding the crime against conspiracy against established authorities, the prosecution relied on the evidence collected from telephone calls that the accused made using the social network WhatsApp and stated that some are guilty of the crime of treason. And concerning the crime of forming an illegal armed force, the court said that they had evidence that they incited young people to join rebel armed groups operating mainly from the forests of the DRC, such as the FDLR and other groups, and finding the money for travel, for obtaining passports, for food and other necessities. Furthermore, the FDU-Inkingi party collaborated closely with other groups such as the FDLR, the RNC, Amahoro PC, PS Imberakuri, and PDP Imanzi, all members of P5. This constituting more proof of which the court relied on in rendering its judgment. The judges of the High Court sentenced Fabien Twagirayezu to 12 years in prison. The National Prosecution Service considers him responsible for recruiting combatants. Gracien Sabiaremye was also sentenced to 12 years in prison, and the two are guilty of treason and training an illegal armed force. The court sentenced Boniface Twagirimana and Evode Barushimana to 10 years in prison. Papias Ndaishimie and Norbert Ufitamahoro were sentenced to 7 years in prison after being found guilty of joining an illegal armed group. The court acquitted Kanyaruchiko for having already served his sentence in prison. Ernest Nkiko, Verna Baisenga, Teofil Nirutwa, and Leoniel Gasengaire, treasurer of the FDU-Inkingi party, were also acquitted. Those sentenced have 30 days to appeal.